Ready? Yep. Okay.
Well, I'm Devin Sims, owner of the Boundless Views Travel Company, and I'm here at the International Travel Expo in Puerto Rico, and it has been a valuable and memorable experience for me, especially as a new travel consultant in the industry. One of my favorite breakouts was Tim Warren, and he has really honed in on the fact that it's necessary for us to build social proof as a travel consultant and as a travel business. And so that is the number one thing I'm going to work on when I go home, talking with my clients and talking with people that I have worked with in the past and asking them to help me build my social proof and tell other people about the experience they've had working with me and the fun that they've had on their trips and destinations and adventures.
Would you recommend?
And of course, I would recommend this conference to anyone who is looking to build their brand, build their business in the travel industry.